Well, it's Saturday, and Becca and Willow are headed to Noel's birthday party. So, me and Cash are going on a little adventure. I want to see how much the Saline River has rose with all this rain. So, we're just going to drive to the river and check it out. This is the highest that I've ever seen the Saline River. There's the bridge. As you see, it is all the way back in here. That is the 278, Highway 278 access. So now we're going to go over where the old Warren Bridge is, where a lot of Saline River camps are, and see how much it's up over there. So here is Highway 362, or it's County Road 362, and as you see, it is underwater right there, and what you can't see is on the other side of this hill. It's completely underwater, not going in there. Now we're going to go to, it's County Road 360 as well, but it's off of Old Warren Road, and this is where the old Warren Bridge used to be. So we're going to head there and see what the water level looks like there. Alright, I'm not going to drive across this bridge because I got little man with me, but this is a little over a mile away from where the river is, just right down there. There's camp houses, there's everything else. Depending on how high they built them, they're probably going to be underwater. So this is pretty incredible. We got more rain coming. So that concludes today's adventure. My man Cash. Say what's up, buddy. Hey, what's up? We're gonna head back home and check with the chicas, see how they're doing. Stay safe. Came back to campus after checking out the river. Caught a little bad. Woo! Man, I've been looking for this thing for about an hour and realized that I laid it down right beside Weevil Pond. I'm glad that there's still honest people in the world. That would have been bad.